Stuck trying to add a new product in Salesforce? Learn to create one in under 2 minutes without errors. We'll walk through the product setup wizard step by step, including how to fix common errors so you can get it done fast. Start by clicking on the Products tab in the navigation bar. Then, go ahead and click the New button to create a new product. Now, type in a descriptive product name for your item. Next, enter a unique product code to identify it internally. Then, fill in the product SKU, which is often used for inventory tracking. Finally, check the Active box to make the product available for use. Once that's done, click Next to proceed to the next step. If an error appears, review the fields and fix any issues before continuing. Then click Next again to move to the pricing section. Now, type the list price for your product in the provided field. And finally, click Finish to save your new product. That's it. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.